Hi everyone. So in this class, you are going to learn about ways that will help you get to one of your lifelong goals, which is going to be your future career. However, first let's try to figure out what career you might actually want to go into. You might not have any idea at the moment as to what career choice you're thinking about, and maybe you actually have an idea. But either way, let's try to build upon that, see if there's anything that else that sparks your interest. So what you're going to be doing is you are going to go to um, your freecareertest.com. When you get to this page, what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down and you're going to start answering all these questions. This is probably going to take you about, I would say about 10 to 15 minutes if you're really thinking about it. So you would just go through here and you would literally answer all these questions. So solve math problems. Obviously, I'm a math teacher, so I would say very interested. Run a business. I'm somewhat interested in that. So you personally are just going to go through all these questions, answering them. Again, there's 60 questions. When you get down here, you're going to click on submit. Okay, if I click on it right now, it's going to tell me that I didn't answer all the questions and I need to go back. So if this pops up for you, just say okay and then figure out which one you actually missed through the 60 questions. Now, a second ago, I just kind of randomly clicked on things and I wanted to just do it so you could see the results. So when I did this earlier and I clicked on it, I got my results. And what you do is you're going to scroll down. So, like, the first thing out of all those questions, it kind of calculates it. And it says, like, my interest level would be like going into science, like it was an 83% practically. And when you look under here, it gives you some career option choices that you might really be interested in. And so I know that I've done this in the past with my other general reach students, and some of them like, oh my gosh, a marine biologist. And so some of them really thought that was cool. And then I know that I had another person go, oh, I really think that it would be cool to be a biologist. And so, it just kind of gives you some other ideas that maybe you're not thinking about right now. If you keep going down, like here's culinary. So like my interest in going into culinary would be like being a chef. And again, you can look down here under careers and a few career options, baker, chef, pastry chef. So those type of things. And you just keep going through education. Here are some career choices. So in the end, what I want you to do is I want you to come up with three different, and you'll go through all of these, what they are. Some of them even, look at this, some of them will even give you kind of like a video so that if you don't know what an engineer is, they'll kind of give you a background idea on that, which is really great. So you can kind of go and take a look at all these different things that are out there for you. Um, Once you're done, what I want you to do, and I will give you back in your back under the classroom. Now I don't have anything in there right now, but under the classroom work, under for week 1, I will have in here what are your three choices. I want you to pick three top choices of careers that you want to go into. So, not that. So like let's go back up here for a second. So let's just say I'm really, really interested. Don't put science, okay? I want you to think about a type of career. So if you want to be an engineer, maybe you saw that video below and you're like, yes, I want to be an engineer. Okay, I want you to put engineer as one of your choices. Maybe you scroll down a little bit and you're like, oh my gosh, I want to be a food scientist. So that would be a second choice. And maybe one of the choices is not even on here. Maybe it's just a personal choice that you want. The only thing I'm going to ask of you is that I don't want you to pick a career choice that is like a pro athlete. Like maybe you're like, oh, I really want to be a pro baseball player, football player, or I want to be a famous actress or famous actress or actor. I want you to have, not to say that that can't happen, but I want you to have a backup plan for that. Okay, so I want you to find like something that that's not necessarily a pro or being a famous person, okay? And then obviously, like I said, there's going to be a place in here for you to record it. So again, go through this careers test and then come up with 3 different career choices that you personally want to go into, and then log it under the assignment one that I will have in there. Okay? Any questions, or email me or message me on It's Learning. Okay? Thanks.